What's up, guys? I'm making another video, and I've been making this video. It's taking me like all day. This is my 4th try. Gosh. Okay, but whatever. Let's just get in. This game is called Risk of Rain. I would like to say that this is my first time playing it, but it's not. Okay. This is the... Should I try hard? No, I can't even do normal. But I probably should. Desolate Forest. Cool. Find the teleporter. Is that like my only mission? Okay. I forgot my controls. Okay, back into the swing of things. Pow, pow, pow. Are you gonna give me enough money to buy this, or am I gonna have to? Are you? No, just. Well, I guess that's good. I'm already at level 2. And totally no money for that. Ouch. Oh man, you take fall damage? Luckily you hardly take any damage, especially for the size you are. Goodness gosh. Or goodness gracious. I said just say goodness gosh. Oh, I already have 33. Really? Ah! Whee! You suck, bro. Ah! Sorry, I was just quiet. Ah, crap. Oh, what? He killed me? No, I was crushed. Yes, I was crushed. Cool. Woo! Oh, I guess I probably won't edit this video. Because the last time I tried to edit a video, I use Open something. I should probably know it. I just saw it. I just having a brain fart. But I used that, and when I used it, yes! Man, I should just hold it down, not press it so much. Okay, I know I found the teleporter. But like this, like enter to repair drone. Like, that's cool. I should probably do that before I leave. Like, I've never actually gone into the teleporter before. I'm not really sure what it does, and I'm sort of scared to use it. This guy takes like no fallback or no knockback damage. Okay. What? No, I hate you. Okay. Okay, I got 46. V. Pew. Oh yay, my first time destroying one of you guys. Whoa, you're cool. Let's see, do you shoot good? No? Do you shoot? Yes, you do. Heck yeah. Man, I'm glad that I bought that. I can just like sit there and wait for him. Okay, I'm gonna get... Ooh, should I buy the knife or should I take the chance? Sorry, dude, but you can't do that. Okay, I think... Should I just go ahead and buy the knife? Should I buy a mystery item? Should I buy a crowbar? I think I'm gonna buy... I'm gonna take a mystery chance. Enter. What is that? That stones hurt enemies by falling. What? Makes no sense. This isn't boring at all. Okay. I really want to go... No! Okay, no. No. Okay. Run! Okay. I got up here. Okay. Climbing up. I'm gonna get it. Yes, okay. What? This is where I spawned. But you can go through blocks. That makes no sense. Okay, I gotta go this way. And then I gotta go down to get that purple block thing. I heard that it was really good. I just didn't know what it was. Okay, I'm gonna save all my money in case I have to buy it. Oh, there's another little drone guy. No, but I'm not gonna buy it. It costs 42. I can't afford it. What? You can't go down? Oh, I'm so confused now. We'll have to go above this. Okay. Can you shoot him? Okay, I guess you don't shoot anymore. I thought. Should I get another drone? I wasn't even shooting that guy at all. What are you? Ooh, I don't know what you are, but you do. You're scary. Oh crap, you're scary. I got a lot of money from you though. I'm gonna buy you. I'm gonna buy you. Which gave me what? Sprouting egg. Awesome. I think this is like the furthest I've ever gotten. Life savings. Gain gold over time. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh man, I love these little drone guys. I can just like run. Ah! Oh gosh, I forgot that I can't go through that. Oh no, do you explode? I want to keep you forever. Wow, so much money. Let's see if I get anything. Yes! Chance to bleed on hit. Oh yeah, you're cool. Crap, I'm about to die. Okay, let me try again. What? Oh, okay. I didn't see that there. My mom just walked into the room, and I was like, no, move, go, please, just don't come in here. Oh my gosh, I bet I'll record for about 5 more minutes. Okay. I just restarted. I don't want to restart. You know what? I'll just leave the video here. Okay. Oh, crap. If you guys like this video, New ending. I need to think of a new ending. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you later. Bye. I said goodbye.